Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got a super dope unboxing today. What's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
My son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope you are doing so good today. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below and come and join the family as we are on the journey to hitting 10,000 subscribers this year. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here, I like to keep it consistent and drop a video every single day. So please do me a favor, just hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Now, yesterday's video, if you haven't seen that, click the link at the top of the screen. But make sure you come back here. You're gonna want to see this unboxing, man. I mentioned in yesterday's video, today's unboxing was gonna be huge. One of the biggest on the channel yet, this year, definitely, because we have an OG colorway, an OG Air Jordan. I had to get it. We haven't seen this, this model in a long time, retro, and I just had to have it. I didn't care what it cost. I just had to have it, and I've been tracking it since this morning. UPS. It's actually right near my job, but I had doctor's appointments today. I had 2 doctor's appointments today. Today is my son and my mother's birthday. Happy birthday to you guys. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We're gonna take everyone out to eat some dinner tonight, so yeah, that's gonna be that. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing. Here we go. We have it. Let's do it. Now, guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we are going to be doing a review and an on foot of this shoe. You guys already know what the sneaker is, due to the thumbnail. It's exactly why you click the, the video, because you know what we got up in this box. Now, this was from a trusted seller that, where I get my early shoes from. Like I said, J&M Sneakers or Nike. Anywhere else, I don't condone going to. Even GOAT or StockX is kind of iffy. But if I go anywhere, I do usually go to GOAT. And today, that's where we got this pair from. As you can see, it is, who knows? What is it? An Air Jordan 8 box? Air Jordan 11 box? Let's get inside. Alright, that's standard, but yup. Yeah. Alright, guys, here we have it, the Air Jordan 8 Playoffs. Now, these are the originals. We got the red pull tab. We got the... this shoe is just absolute fire. Wow. The details in this sneaker are truly, truly dope, man. Guys, make sure you check out my short by clicking the link at the top of the screen. It'll show you the, a quick 15-second detailed review. But make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you put those notifications on because we're going to be dropping a review and an on foot as soon as possible, man. But guys, what do you guys think, man? Please let me know down in the comment section if you guys plan on copping. I don't believe these come out until the end of June. Wow, the quality feels really, really nice on this shoe, man. The toe box, super, super dope. Make sure you guys stay tuned, man, because like I said, we got fabulous, fabulous content coming for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. But until next time, guys, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.